Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorial. Hope you all are doing good. Today, in the Leadership Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to talk about the 5K rules. So what are these 5Ks to transform your life? Are you ready to transform your life? Yes. Okay. So number 1, first K stands for being KAIZEN. That stands for, in Japanese technology and terminology, they say it's continuous improvement. To be better than your previous self, to be better than your previous day, to be better than, and give your best on the next day, on your next attempt, and grow, perform, and work to get that efficiency, to get that perfection, to get that improvement with continuous learning and continuous improvement. Become the epitome of success, become the epitome of perfection, slowly and gradually. Next, kindness. Have you ever seen a leader who is not generous or kind? Leaders are always kind and generous, and the warmth and the affection, you can feel them in their actions, in their tone, in their voices, in their work. So they are always eager to help others out and lend a helping hand and an ear to the people in need, right? So be that kind person for others. Universe gives you back in multifolds when you kindly help others out. With you are a kind-hearted person and a good-willing person. I get it, the world is cruel, but what does it take if you will be one kind person? So that one kind person will create a chain of many kind person, right? So be that kind person, you will get your results, because universe has a law to give you back what is yours, what you give. So when you give your kindness, you will get that in multifolds as well. Next, knowledgeable. Be so knowledgeable, be so eager to learn more in your sphere of life, in any sphere of life, be it your profession, try to learn and gain more. Be it your career, try to learn and gain more. Be it your business, try to learn those new skills, those new technologies, those new tools which can make your work easier. Be so knowledgeable. By knowledgeable, I only don't mean the educational or the academic knowledge, the practical knowledge, the logical thinking, the reasonable thinking, right? To make your life easier. So they say the knowledge is power, right? So make use of that power to become more powerful in every sphere of your life and rock it. Alright, next is being keen. Like I said, leader is always keen to know more, to learn more, eager and curious to imbibe new things, new technologies, new lessons, new learnings, new achievements. So be keen to know more, to learn more, and give it back, and create something innovative, something beautiful, something out of this world, something outstanding, and make your mark. Last but not the least, live life king size, right? Always think the big picture, rather focusing on the small issues or pertaining to the small things which are disturbing your peace of mind and making you anxious or worried about or stressed out. So just think big about that. Things which are disturbing you at the particular moment are not gonna remain forever, because everything in life is transitionary, right? Everything is momentarily, it's temporary, right? If you have read Bhagavad, it always says it is also nothing is permanent. So this time shall also pass. So always think about the bigger picture rather than focusing on the small size or the king size. So I would always prefer think big, do more, achieve more, and have a better life. Wish you all have a great life ahead. And these are my 5Ks. Hope you like it. And for more leadership, life lessons, and transformation series, do like, share, and connect with me. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.